In the village, when the sky begins to grow heavy, we know tonight will not be the same. Women rush to save the firewood, and children rush to chase after chickens. Even the animals feel the change. Every drop carries a story. And tonight, the story was waiting for us. Then rain came, sudden, wild, and endless. It beat against the mud huts, flooded the paths, and swallowed the voices of the night. On the other side, the fire struggles to breathe. Smoke bent and twisted under the storm. But still, life continued in this small village. Inside the hut, we drew closer. A lantern flickered, and the shadows danced on the mud walls. When the rain sinks on the roof, families gather closer, sharing warmth, sharing stories, and sharing silence. And yet outside, joy refused to die. Children slid in the mud, their laughter rising above the storm. For them, rain is never a problem. But instead, it is freedom, it is also a game, and also an opportunity to create childhood memories. But at midnight, everything changed. The frogs croaked louder. The lightning tore the sky apart. Dogs barked at the shadows that moved without form. The storm hid more than just the earth. It hid things we could not see. Only the gods of the rain knew what was happening. And at this time, everyone in the village is dead asleep. And then came the knock. A stranger stood at the door, soaked to the bone. His face was hidden half in the dark. This was so strange. No one has ever seen his face. No one knew his home, and no one knew his name. But we let him sit by the fire. He spoke a little, and he only stared into the flames, dripping in silence. When the dawn broke, the storm was already gone. The ground shone in wet earth. The birds started singing again cheerfully, and the smoke from the huts rose again as people woke up to prepare breakfast. The village woke up again, not in laughter, but in whispers. Each family was eager to speak. But as they told their story, each and every one was surprised. Others gasped, since every family told the same story. The same stranger, the same face, and the same silence sat in every hut in that village. And wow, what was happening in the village? Who could that be? Was it the gods? Was it a spirit? But as they digged into finding out who he was, no one knew what he wanted, no one knew who he was, and no one knew how he got out of the hut without their knowledge. Some swore it was a spirit, some swore it was the god of the rain, and some swore it was a warning.
But one truth remained, that the stranger was everywhere and nowhere at all.